It doesn't get much better than this quintessential Key West conch home. Our Ocean Sotheby's International Realty Spotlight is 1120 Curry Lane, listed by Matt Carlson. Matt, what an amazing home in an excellent location.
When it comes to location and being in Old Town Key West, I don't think that it gets a whole lot better than this. We're on Curry Lane, which is a quiet, cute little lane right in between two of my favorite streets in Key West, which are Fleming Street and Southern Street. It's easy into downtown. It's also easy to get onto White Street to go into Newtown if you want to go to the grocery store or do anything like that. It's kind of the best of all worlds right here.
And you do have parking here, which is another big plus. Let's go ahead and take a look inside.
All right, sounds good.
Another great feature of this property, Matt, is this guest house. I mean, this is amazing for out-of-town guests, also just entertaining with family and friends.
It's great for anything you want to use it for. Also, of course, there's a guest bedroom upstairs too. So if you do have people that are coming for the week or the weekend or whatever, they've got their own space back here. The house kind of has everything if you think about it. All the bathrooms are renovated, the kitchen's new, everything is all fresh. There's everything a buyer's gonna want on top of the great location. I think somebody's gonna be very lucky to be able to move in and buy this property that's completely ready to go.
If you would like to see it for yourself, be sure to contact Matt. You can also check out oceansir.com for more information.